At Allegiant 3D, we provide solutions for the photonics industry from engineering to the end product. Last year, we decided to make some steps towards higher volume production and automation, and we collaborated with Waybo, who are using this KUKA robot to automatically load and handle our parts in and out of our machines. The Waybo system with the KUKA robot serves one machine, and that replaces 2 other machines and 4 other people, 2 shifts. The reason why we made the change is because we realized that once you start hitting volumes, your crew can only be there at the right time, waiting for that machine to finish and load and unload parts. And the talented people that we have, I want them to work on operations that have value add.
The CyberDrawer 20 was the perfect product for them. With this unit, Allegiant 3D is able to work all day long and produce their parts for the customer. At Waybo, we team up with KUKA because working with them, it's a real partnership. And our goal is to develop and produce solutions for customers and to help them to accomplish their needs. The KUKA robots are really easy to use. This is one of the main reasons why I teams with them. It's easy for an operator to understand how to make it work. The teach pendant, it's easy to use, is intuitive. So for an operator to understand and program a KUKA robot, it's simple and easy. We supply a complete package for the customer. So for them, it's all in one and they are able to produce the day after.
So for our customers, we work on high precision aluminum components mainly. The reason we use the robot for this work is to be able to load and unload these precise, complex parts easily without us having to intervene. So our expectations when we got this machine was to be able to run industry standard 72 hours. Our first attempt, we ran 138 hours unattended, but what really blew me away was our record of 500 plus hours unattended. The things I like the best about this are the ease of programming. It is as simple as move, teach, record. Loading material in the back is very simple while the robot runs. The user interface of the Waybo system itself is very user-friendly. The biggest productivity increase we've seen with this is we went from making 80 to 90 parts a week with an evening shift to 120 parts a week unattended. And the quality has gone from scrapping units due to error of operators to 0 scrap parts on machining side. It runs 24/7, nights and weekends. It has never gone down on us. With the addition of the KUKA robot, it has moved the company to the next level. So now it's just about ramping up production and getting another one.
Our image to our customer has changed, and our customers have more confidence in us that we can deliver product reliably for long periods of time. This has given me the confidence that we can move forward and apply robotics to many other different aspects in our company and automate the downstream operations from this operation right here. This was our first attempt at automation, and it turns out to be a wonderful success.
Industrial intelligence.